Hi guys, today we're going to talk about editing. The difference between revising and editing is that revising is adding material to your essay, like extra paragraphs, more descriptions. Editing is when you fix the smaller things like punctuation, spelling, formatting. Formatting is really important. And what we have found is that kids don't always know how to format their essay. So this is going to teach you. I'm going to show you a few tools on Google documents that will help you. So the first thing is that your font should always be either Times New Roman or Arial, either 12 point or 11 point. Okay, nothing different. Do not make it a color, just keep it black. Okay. Another thing is that we're calling this a title, so we want to center the title. This is the alignment button. You can either left justify it, you can center it, or you can make it a left justification. I want my title to be centered. I want my whole essay to be left justified. It should not be centered, and you should not choose the journalism one. For the body of your essay, this is the format. Okay? So for this, notice I have used indentations. If I want to indent like a paragraph, I do not use the space bar. I use the tab button and it automatically makes the indentation. This is how it should be formatted. You should not have spaces. You should not have no indentation. You should just have that tab button there. For my whole body of my essay, I want to double space it. Okay, so the double spacing button is right here. If I hover over it, it says line spacing. I'm going to choose it and I'm going to do double spacing. This allows me as the reader to be able to really focus on your words. If you noticed, I'm wearing glasses, so this is generally what most people prefer. Many professors will ask you to put your name on it. Because it's a Google Doc, it will already have your name on it. I don't need your name on this, so you don't need to worry about anything other than that. You should not mess with the margins. Do not make headers or footers. Okay, here's some other tools. I'm going to do Control A, and that is going to select all of my text. Here, I can do a word count. I've showed you how to do that. My word count is 549. Here, I can do spelling and grammar check. I can do one word. If I'm seeing that I'm repeating myself, this is where I can find thesaurus. See if I can find that. Grammar, personal dictionary. You can add that. You can set up your settings so that does a thesaurus thing, hopefully. I'll look into that. You can highlight something by doing this. This is the highlighter button. You can highlight. I don't want you to highlight anything in your final draft, okay, unless I specifically ask you to. So everything should be unhighlighted when you turn it in, okay? You can bold things, italicize things, and underline things. You can insert images right there, okay? And you can leave comments for each other. So if you ask your friend to read it, they can highlight that. They can press this button right here. They can comment, hey, did you know you misspelled? I have one more thing I'm going to show you that is super important. Do Control F, and you should see this button. So if you want to see if you capitalized all your I's, go ahead and do an I space, and it'll show you where you have all the nouns I's. I can see I've capitalized all of them. I can also search for words that I maybe misspell a lot. That's not how you spell a lot. A space L-O-T. So if you're seeing that you're overusing a word, you can find them and replace them. This is invaluable for your editing. Good luck and happy editing.